10th Standard Physics, second unit, Magnetic Effect of Electric Current. We are familiar with magnet, magnetic field, electromagnet, etc. The presence of the magnetic field and the polarity can be understood using a magnetic compass. We know that the magnetic field around an electromagnet is created due to the flow of current through the coils in it. That means a magnetic field will be developed when a current passes through a straight conductor. Let us observe an experiment you are seen in Victor's channel. At first, a circuit above a pivoted magnetic needle is such a way that the part AB of the conductor is parallel and close to the magnetic compass. The direction of current is from positive to negative. Therefore, here it is A to B. Switch on the circuit and observe the direction of magnetic compass. Yes, magnetic needle deflects in anti-clockwise direction. Repeat the experiment after reversing the current. For this, positive and negative terminals of the battery interchanged. Then switch on the circuit and observe the direction of magnetic compass. Now the direction of current is from B to A. Therefore, the magnetic needle deflects in clockwise direction. From this, we can understood that a magnetic field is developed around a current carrying conductor. Repeat the experiment keeping the conductor below the magnetic needle and observe the magnetic compass. Here, the direction of current is from A to B. Switch on the circuit and observe the direction of magnetic compass. Yes, magnetic needle deflects in clockwise direction. Repeat the experiment just reversing the current. For this, positive and negative terminals of the battery interchanged. Now, the direction of current is from B to A. Switch on the circuit, observe the direction of magnetic compass. Magnetic needle deflects in anti-clockwise direction. A magnetic field is developed around a current carrying conductor. The magnetic needle is deflected as a result of the mutual action of this magnetic field and that around the magnetic needle. In 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted accidentally noticed that a magnetic needle kept near a current carrying conductor experienced deflection. Thus, the unbreakable relation between electricity and magnetism was realized for the first time. James Clerk Maxwell's right-hand thumb rule is used to find the direction of magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor. According to right-hand thumb rule, holding a current carrying conductor with the right hand in such a way that the thumb points in the direction of the current. The direction in which the other fingers encircle the conductor gives the direction of the magnetic field. The same rule is also known as right-hand screw rule. If a right-hand screw is rotated in such a way that its tip advances along the direction of the current in the conductor, then the direction of rotation of the screw gives the direction of magnetic field around the conductor.